Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel U Education Institute. Myself Kishan sir. We are studying chapter number 10 of science, light, reflection and refraction. Today we'll see the numerical parts of this chapter, right? Previously we have seen the mirror formula and sign convention rules. Hope so you are clear with that. If you have not seen the video, go to the part 3 video and then come on to the part 4. Today we'll solve the numericals part. Now students, I have taken one example 10.1 that is given on your textbook page number 170, right? This example is based on mirror formula. Now I am revising you again. Mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Okay, let's start with the solution of the example. Now students, in example 10.1 you have been given the values of R, that is radius of curvature, plus 3 meter is given. Then another value U is given. Now U is nothing but image object distance, right? Object distance is measured as minus 5.0 meter. If you are remembering the sign convention rule, object is placed on the left hand side, so its sign is negative. Okay, now you have to find image distance and magnification of height, that is height of image, that is denoted by h dash. Now how to solve this? First of all, let's see the solution. Focal length, we have required focal length. Focal length कहाँ से find करोगे? F is equal to R by 2. Now R is given 3, put the values, 3 divided by 2, you will get 1.50 meter. Now your value of focal length is 1.50. Now according to the mirror formula, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Now you have to find 1 V, that is image distance. Make 1 upon V as subject, 1 upon V, that is this is shifted to the right hand side, it becomes negative 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. Now simply put the values. Your focal length is 1.50 minus of your image, that is V, you have to find. Then put the value of U is equal to minus of 5.0, place the values. Now students, you have to simplify these two signs, minus minus will become plus. So finally you are getting 1 upon 1.50 plus 1 upon 5.0. This minus and minus becomes plus. Okay, this much is clear. Now you have to take the LCM of this, that is 5.0 plus 1.5 upon LCM of 1.50 and 50 is 7.50. Now simply add 5.0 plus 1.50, that is 6.50 divided by your LCM, right? Now solving this, finally you will get, this is 1 upon V is 6.50 upon 7.50. Now students, we required value of V, so we will reciprocal this. So your value will reciprocal, that is 7.50 comes in the numerator place and your numerator 6.50 comes to the denominator, right? Solving this, finally you will get the image distance as 1.15 meter. Here your first part is over. You have successfully find the image distance. Now the rest is height of image. Now how to find the height of image? So let's take the example, the formula of magnification, right? Magnification is nothing but h dash upon h is equal to minus V upon U. Okay, yes, put the values. You have value of V, value of U. Now value of V we have find here 1.15, that is minus 1.15 divided by value of U, you can take from here, that is minus of 5.0. This minus and minus will cut it out and you will get finally M is equal to plus 0.23. Plus 0.23 is the magnification. Clear with this? So this is your example regarding 10.1. So finally students, In example 10.1, the image form is virtual, erect and smaller in size by the magnification factor 0.23, right? So here we complete your 10.1 example. Okay students, now take some another example. We have example 10.2 of your textbook, that is just below to 10.1 example, right? Let's see this. Here focal length is given, right? In the previous sum we have radius of curvature, and from that we have find focal length, right? Now here directly focal length is given, that is minus 15.0 centimeter, right? Another object distance is given minus 25 centimeter. Height of object is also given plus 4 centimeter. You have to find image distance v and height of image h dash, right? Again in the same manner we are taking mirror formula. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. Again we have to find v, making 1 upon v as subject, then 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Your 1 upon u is shifted to RHS, that it becomes negative, right? Now place the values. Your f is minus 15.0, it is minus 15.0. What is the value of u? Minus 25, right? Now solve this sign, minus minus will become plus 1 by 25.0. Now take the LCM of this, students. It is 75.0, and on the numerator you get minus 5.0 plus 3. Okay, minus 5.0 कैसे आया? तो 15 is there, you have to form 75, right? 75 लाना है, आपके पास 15 है, into 3 करोगे तो in numerator also you have to multiply it by into 3, that becomes minus 5.0 plus 3.0 upon 75.0, right? Okay, now that is equal to minus 2.0 divided by 75.0, that is the value of 1 upon v. We required v, okay? So v is equal to nothing but minus 37.5 centimeter. It is whatever the value you are getting of 1 upon v, just reciprocal it. So we are getting image distance v, okay? Now let's on another topic, that is magnification find करना है आपको, right? Magnification m is nothing but h dash upon h, height of image divided by height of object, is equal to minus v upon u. Now from these 4 quantities only one quantity is missing, that is h dash. Now make it subject. Subject बनाओगे तो v into h upon u. Now simply put the values, all the 3 values are with us. v का वैल्यू है, h भी है और u भी है हमारे पास. Just a simple mathematical step and you are getting h dash, that is height of image, that is minus 6.0 centimeter, right students? Now lastly let's talk about the nature of the image. The nature of image is inverted and enlarged image you are getting compared to the object, okay? So in this session we have tried to cover up the numericals based on mirror formula, okay? Hope so this much is clear to you. Do practice well at home, solve these numericals, clear your concepts regarding chapter 10, and do like, share our videos and subscribe our channel, that is UI Education Institute. Stay updated for the next videos regarding chapter 10. Thank you.